everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And have you ever gone to the garden, dressed nicely, come back and you're covered in dirt and mud? I got so tired of doing laundry over and over and over again because of getting so dirty in the garden. So I ordered this garden apron. Now I ordered this about 2 years ago. And I wanted to check it out and use it a little bit before I did a review on it. And it's very simple to get on. Just put it on around back like that. Adjust it. It's got a adjustable belt here that snaps in the back. You just pull that to the back and clip it on and you're ready to go. Now this is waterproof material. It's very durable. Like I said, I've had it for a year now, testing it. It's by Typhon. It has 10 pockets on it, which makes it great for holding tools. It has this zipper across the top here that you can put your cell phone in, so you have your cell phone secure. Water won't get to it because it's waterproof. Plus, it won't fall out into the dirt. These pockets are also very handy for when you're going in and you don't have your harvesting basket and you just got a few things to harvest. Just stick the things in here, the vegetables in your pockets, and you can go. You can hold your scissors or your snips. Never loosen them out. You have them with you at all times and they're safe. And they do not fall out, especially these back pockets. It also has a little elastic area here on the one corner for you can put bigger tools, and you can keep your gloves in here. So this has really come in handy to wear out into the garden, and it helps. And this also came with knee pads. I don't use the knee pads much because I have a kneeling bench, but they did come with the knee pads and they are comfortable. I have tried them, and right now this is out of stock. I got it from Amazon. Like I said, it's Typhon East, and I really love it. I use it quite a bit. And it's a nice, handy place to keep your tools. When you're done, you just snap it off and hang it up. I hang it by the door here, so when I go out in the garden, I can just grab it. Easy to put on, easy to take off. Very easy. And that's it. The only thing disadvantage is that it's waterproof, so therefore it's not breathable. So you will sweat on hot days with this on. But it keeps your clothes clean. And sweat is a lot easier to get out of clothes than the ground in dirt. So I hope you've learned something. If you are a serious gardener or not, this is unisex, men or women. And like I said, if you're a serious gardener, if you just don't want to get your clothes dirty when you're gardening, this is great. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.